Hello, this is Not So Young Man. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an oil and air filter. Sold now, and we bought her new and she's still running like a top. This model has a cartridge filter which is top loaded, and what I use is the this adapter which fits on my ratchet, so 1/4 inch ratchet, and you just unscrew the housing with that. I've already taken the top off to let some air in, and you need a 15 millimeter open end wrench or a ratchet to do your drop pan bolt, which I will do. I don't know if you can see back here. Try to get a good view of that bolt for you. It's right there, and I'll be right back with you. And here is the drop pan bolt removed, and I don't know if you can see the oil going into the receptacle. And filter housing just right here. Like I said, I've already loosened it with this little ratchet adapter, and it just really unscrews easily. And when you lift it out, the filter kind of sticks with it, so make sure you have stuff for the mess. I'm just going to get some of that. Here's the new filter and the little gasket that goes around the housing that you replace. It's really simple. You just take your old one out. This is the little gasket that you replace. It goes down on the bottom here. Take the other one out. Oh, this is the number. If you see this company, that's their number for it, but I think it's pretty much universal. 57082. You take the old filter out, put the new filter in the same way. It's really a neat system. And then you just have to work on that little gasket to finger it off. That's all. And there's the housing back in. It literally takes like less than a minute. And I hand tighten it, and then just a little bit more torque once you get your wrench on there. Don't tighten it too much, just to keep it from leaking. Really. It's got a nice fit around there. It's a really neat system, very easy to use. And while the oil's draining, I'm also changing the air filter element. This is the number 46902, and you just undo these two clips and then bring it around the little air conditioning rod of the cover, and take the old one out, and then slide the new one in the same way the other one came out, and it goes into the little bottom part there, and then you just have to adjust this back down, and Bob's your uncle. 5 gallons of oil, which I'm going to put in my recyclable bin and take to the auto parts store, and then when I fill out a form, they let me put it into their big bin to recycle it. I didn't make a mess. The manual suggests 5W30 for this vehicle. I use full synthetic, and I'm just going to pour it into the receptacle for the oil. Okay, so the last thing I do is check the oil life meter on the little computer for the car. And the way you do that is you turn the key clockwise without starting. And then you go to your info button and you cycle around to the oil life. And this one says 56%. And then you press the info and reset arrow simultaneously. Oil life reset. Oil life 56%. Reset, and then press reset. Acknowledged. Oil life 100%. Then I start it up and check for leaks and check the level after I turn it off. I hope you enjoyed this video.